Hey guys, what's up? I just did the Frostmoon, and I got a Blizzard staff. Yeah, and I got a legendary Christmas tree sword. I didn't have to reforge it. It came legendary. Got a Zelius and another Christmas hook, so yeah. That was probably my best one, or second best. The best was my Razor Pride. Just really happy, so pretty cool. Still going for the egg shield. Yeah, legendary sells for 30 gold. Wow. Well, I don't need those two now that I have a legendary. I can sell that too. So here's the Christmas tree sword. I think it's really cool. I tried it out. It basically shoots out projectiles of ornaments, which I think is really cool. I mean, it's still a sword, so it still does damage from the blade. That's pretty cool. I still like my horseman's blade better though. I might be using it for stuff, but yeah, the Blizzard staff is what I was going for from now on. So, and I even got a Christmas tree sword, so that's really cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out a little new organization. So, I have some gold saved up, so I think I have 2 platinum. Yeah, I'll just take that and see if I can reforge it a few times. We might not get the best stuff, but I'm hoping for something good. That's pretty good. Not what I'm looking for though. Alright, godly, that's good enough for me. Until I have more platinum, I'll be waiting to try to get it to mythical, so. Because I don't want to waste any more money. And I got my Star Veil to menacing. I don't think I'm going to be using it though, but I'm going to keep it for sure. And this I can sell. So, yeah. That used quite a bit of mana potions, I must say. I'll take some gold and buy some. But yeah, I'm really happy to get the Blizzard staff. Won't be helpful in the dungeon, sadly, because it's just not going to be helpful in those areas, because the icicles come from the top of the screen, and that just means that they won't be able to go through walls, so it won't be very useful for stuff like that, but still have my Razor Pride, so now I'm perfectly happy with my stuff. So, well, it lagged out. That's pretty much probably going to be it for the video. If my Blizzard stuff isn't godly anymore from the lag out, I'll reforge it more, but I don't know if it will. Hopefully it stayed. But if it doesn't, I can still keep trying to get it to mythical, so if it stayed godly, that'll be the end of the video. So, yeah. Alright, well, it's still godly, so as you can see, it goes over stuff, so it won't be helpful in the dungeon. But yeah, that's the end of this video, so great day.